So before I end this video, let's look at some final topics concerning strings. So let's look at at the really fancy word concatenation. So this is a word, it's a mouthful, and I believe that it doesn't say that much, but what it means is that you basically merge two strings. That's basically what it means. So concat or concatenation means to merge things, merge strings. Basically, it's usually mentioned or used when talking about strings, the term. So we have two strings, hello and a space and world, and I want to make these two into one string. So we can just use the plus operator to concat these two strings or merge these two strings. So let's run this to see what happens. Yeah, so I see hello world. I can just maybe add an exclamation mark to prove my point, since we have quite a lot of prints out here. So yeah, so we see that I merged those two into one. The other thing would be to cast integers to strings. So if I try to concat a string with an integer, like trying to do hello plus 5, then this will not compile. So Python will not like that. The Python compiler will yell at me. So if I want to actually print out an integer, how do I do that? Yeah, so what you would do if you really want to print this out is that you can use the string method instead. So you provide it. You can provide it an integer. It says that it takes any object, but yeah, the object could be like an integer, for example. And then you can even do something like an arithmetic operation here. So I say 1 plus 1. So this will equal 2, right? It will evaluate to 2, and then I will pass 2 to the string, and then I will basically print out 1 plus 1 is, and yeah, this should be 2 as a string, so to say. So let's try to run this. And we see 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have basically made the addition here, and I cast the return type or the value, the result, to a string, and then I concatenate it using the add or the plus operator to this, and this evaluates to this string basically. And yeah, that's kind of what I had to show you, or what I wanted to show for this video. And thanks for watching.